How to contact Instagram customer service. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can contact Instagram's customer service. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So the first step is open up your Instagram. Then head over to your profile on the bottom right. Tap on the three lines on the top right corner and you should be on your settings and activity. So after your settings and activity loads, scroll down, you should find an option. You'll find the complete section that says more info and support. You can tap on help there. After you tap on help, you'll find a lot of different options through which you can contact customer service. First is report a problem. So simply tap on report a problem. So from here, you can tap on it again and you can do whatever there. And you can basically write whatever you want to report about, which will directly go to customer service. And this is one way. There are other different options as well, such as account status. You can see support requests. You can check different reports from there as well, and privacy and security help, which will take you to help.instagram.com. And yeah, those are basically the ways you can contact Instagram's customer service. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.